What are you doing there? So why are you climbing into the suitcase? Huh? Why? Cap. Why did you have to climb in there? Come on, get out of there. All the clothes will be covered in hair. Get out of there. What are you doing? All the clothes are black now. Did you leave? Say it, little rascal, say it. All the clothes will be black. Everyone in our house has to wear white clothes, right? We have white braids. A little bit devilish, but still white. Little rascal. Little rascal, little rascal, little rascal. Huh? What did they throw on you, huh? Oh, how does she hold her paw? How is she holding her paw? Wait, my little one.